Bakit ba mahina at nalulugi ang mga negosyo? Baka hindi mo pa alam ang isang sekreto na discover ko. Kung gusto mo malaman, kailangan panoorin mo to.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there mga ka-friendship, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Kung bakit ba talaga nalulugi ang ating negosyo, kung gusto nyo malaman, ito ang na-discover ko after doing it for so many years. Baka mali ang pagkaintindi mo sa negosyo. Pero ito lang po. Again, di ako nagmamarunong. Before na mag-add ka sa akin, let me tell you why. In my years of doing business, ang focus ko talaga, basta kumita ka, magpayaman ka. Siyempre, gusto ko yun. Pero ito po ang na-realize ko. The more I pursue money, the more money run away from me. Mailap sa akin ang pera. Kung ikaw ay naka-experience, nag-agree kayo, type agree in the comment section. This is what I've realized. Business is not just about making money. Akala na marami kasi ang pagnenegosyo, kumita lang ng pera o pagkakitaan lang ibang tao. Kung yan lang pang pinakadahilan mo, that's the reason why your business is not growing, your business is failing. Chinky, ano ba talaga ang business, di ba, para kumita? Yes, I hope you don't get me wrong. Yes, ang goal natin is kumita. Pero, yung income is only a result of a job well done. Yung income is only a result of mission fulfilled. So, ano ba talagang dapat ang sikreto talagang magnenegosyo? Ito lang po, let me rephrase the idea. Yes, business needs to make money, but business is not just about making money. Ang tunay na negosyo, ito yung na-discover ko, kailangan po may purpose, number 1. Number 2, nakakatulong sa ibang tao. Number 3, dun ka kikita. So in other words, when you provide solution and value to your target market, dun ka kikita. Ang iniisip ko lang talaga dati, syempre, benta, kita, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Ganun lang, pero hindi. Right now, nagbago na po talaga eh. Kung napapansin nyo, lahat ng mga negosyo po right now, like for example, merong isang riding app, napakahirap kumuha po ng taxi. May nag-develop na instead ikaw maghanap ng taxi, yung taxi maghanap sa iyo. Bago ka pa sumakay, alam mo na kung magkano. O, lumabas po yung app ng Grab. Meron pa isang nakaisip ng idea, parating traffic kahit nasa loob ka ng taxi, late ka naman parati, nagkaroon ng tinatawag na motorcycle taxi o tinatawag nating angkas na makakasingit ka at mas mura compared to Grab. Kaya nga, nakahanap sila ng problem, nag-offer sila ng value and solution, nagkaroon ng opportunity and income. Kaya nga iisipin nyo, kung gusto nyo talaga kumita, you offer something that is valuable. And then you help them solve their problem. And after that, you will earn your money. Parang sa trabaho lang naman yan eh. Ano bang trabaho mo? Hindi ka lang ng trabaho para pumasok at present ako. No. You're helping your company to solve a what? Problem. And because you solve the problem, na-fulfill mo yung gap, that's the reason why they are paying you. Sa totoo lang hindi ka mapopromote kung ikaw ay sa totoo lang nagpa-punch in lang ng time clock mo. There's no such thing as permanent employment. Do you agree? Everything is disposable and dispensable. But, listen to this. There is such a word called permanent employment. Paano yan? You make yourself so, valuable. You can solve problems, you can offer solutions that they cannot even afford to lose you. If they release you, if they remove you, if they fire you, it's their loss, not yours. Nagigets mo na yung idea? Kung gusto mo maging successful talaga sa business, ask yourself, what is something that you can offer that can help people to solve their problem? Now, ito yung tanong ko po sa inyo. Gusto nyo bang magkaroon ng ganung klaseng negosyo na talagang sobrang patok at talagang makakasolve ng problem ng mga tao? Well, pag sinabi mo,
Chinky, gustong-gusto ko yan pero di ko alam.
okay, what if I can help you to show you where you can start and how you can start? How can you deliver that product and service na sa mind mo? And how can it solve the personal problem? And how to scale and grow that idea? Gusto mo bang malaman yan? Kaya para sa mga taong medyo nag-aalinlangan at natatakot, alam ko nakakatakot po mag-umpisa. Pero it's worth your while pag ikaw ay kumikita na. Kaya nga ang tanong mo, Chinky, paano ko matututunan yun? Sino magtuturo po sa akin? Nako, ito yung good news. What if I personally can teach you and I will invite some of my friends na experts sa business para turuan ka kung paano mag-umpisa ng negosyo, anong dapat mong iwasan at anong dapat mong gawin. Would you be interested? If you say you are interested, just type interested in the comment section and I will send you a link to tell you more about it. So maraming salamat for watching this video. Sana naman na-enlighten po kayo. Kaya tatandaan nyo parati Hindi lang kita ang dapat habol natin. If we offer something valuable to people, doon ka na kikita. So, kita-kits po tayo. Sana naman maging successful kayo sa inyong business journey. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.